Hey friend, it's Simply T again. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if it's your first time stopping by. Sit down, get comfortable, grab a drink, because I have yet another affordable fall friendly wig look to try tonight. So if you're over here from my last video with the Studio Cut by Pros wig company, I liked it so much that I made sure I got a chance to try it again. Shout out to SamsBeauty for sending me yet another affordable and fun look to try out with you guys. So if you want to see another fall friendly affordable look that falls right within our budget, make sure to keep watching. Okay, so I am trying this one. The stock card immediately caught my attention, and this is, like I said, another Studio Cut by Pros wig. And I gotta say, you know I love big hair, you know I love curly hair, so I had to get my hands on this particular style. This style is actually style DPLOO9. Now I noticed they don't give their wigs names, so do me a favor and help me come up with a name with this one once we install it and try it on together. And you can always drop that down in the comment box below. So let's check her out. Now this particular wig is a premium fiber wig. It's heat safe up to 350 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. So if the curls drop or we want to add an extra bump of volume to it, we can do that with our curling wands or our curling irons. So this one comes with HD lace in a brown tone. It comes with ear-to-ear lace and a hand-tied parting area. Of course, it also comes with pre-plucked baby hair along the hairline. So it looks pretty full on the stock card. This is what it looks like here on the stock card, and it seems really pretty straight out the gate. And I'm so excited to try this one because I haven't had any curly looks on here in a while, but that is my go-to style off of my channel. When I'm going for an everyday look, I'm either going for like a yucky straight or a kinky curly vibe off of here. So that is my favorite everyday look. So I think that one might fit right in that lane for me. Looking at the color straight out of the pack, I haven't even unwrapped it all the way yet, but just look at it. This one comes in the color Balayage Caramel, and you know we love us some Balayage Caramel on this channel. The other wig from the Studio Cut by Pros wig that I tried previously in this video before this one was actually a T-part lace wig. This appears to be a T-part lace wig as well, but it also seems a lot like the surface area as far as lace goes under the wig cap is a lot larger. So we've got our standard brown lace cap on the bottom right here. We've got two combs right here on the sides of the front portion of the wig. Of course, you've got your adjustable straps and a comb in the back. And this girl, yeah, okay, this one legit looks pre-plucked, I will say that. So let's give it a try. Whoa. Okay, so I see, let me get the middle part together, but just looking at it, ooh, okay, I ain't gonna say nothing, just look. Yeah, this the one. This is cute. All right, so here's the ear-to-ear lace on this side. So of course, you know I'm Team Peanut Head Gang, so off the rip I can already tell you that I'm going to have to cut the excess lace off right here on the tabs for it to get the perfect fit for me. But it also lets me know that it is a flexible, comfortable fit cap that might be comfortable and friendly for all head shapes and sizes. There are pre-cut baby hairs in here. You see that, I'm kind of pulling them out from the front of the hair. So this is one of the pre-cut, pre-curled sections. So I can already tell based off of that is going to give me a super natural look, and it's going to be a gorgeous end result. It's light, it has volume, but it's not heavy at all. As far as the tangle goes, it's a curly synthetic wig, so you're not really supposed to be combing through it all that much, but I don't really see that many tangles. A lot of times you take wigs out of the pack and it kind of automatically starts tangling before you even get to enjoy it or even style it the way you want to. I'm not picking that up with this particular wig right here. All of the details on the color, how much it costs, where you can find it, the name of this wig, the style, and all of that good stuff, of course, as always, is going to be right here down in the description box, where you can find the link to this particular wig in this color. Let's install this, girl. I can't wait. I can't wait. Now, when I talk about a kinky, curly style wig, this right here, all this, the color, the volume, that's what I'm talking about. Now, as you notice, if you've been paying attention to my channel, I've been in a very highlight, blended color kind of mood, but it's something about the combination of curls and color that just makes it all, you know, come together in an extra special way. I have to say, for a T-part lace wig, this is the most un-T-part laced wig that I've ever tried, if that makes any sense. It definitely gives off frontal vibes, and usually when it's an ear-to-ear lace, you kind of have a bulky hairline, so the lace is just kind of there as a buffer. But I definitely have to say they did an amazing job on pre-plucking this particular hairline. It's not often that you see a very budget friendly wig or wig line pay close attention to the pre-plucking. It'll say pre-plucked on the pack, but it'll still kind of be a little, you know, you still might have to go in and do a little bit of work. And the baby hairs, you saw me kind of experimenting with them, just kind of sweeping them around, but I did ultimately kind of brush them back, only because now that I kind of moosed them together, I know that once I put a headband around this wig, they'll just kind of fall out naturally on the side, and that's my personal preference. I love the way it looks like that. This particular wig is probably, I'm gonna say, my very favorite T-part lace wig that I've ever tried on this channel. Now, I've tried a couple and I've loved a couple of them, but in terms of my own personal preference for big hair and blended colors, this definitely hits the mark. It is, of course, heat safe, so if the hair starts to kind of frizz up or the curls start to kind of get a little bit loose, I'm just going to go in with my extra skinny curling iron and wrap it right back up. So I love the fact that it's heat safe, but it's budget friendly, it's beginner friendly, and it's just cute. You know what I mean? This is what fall looks like in my mind. When I think of fall hairstyles, this fits right up there. I can already picture it right here. I've got my curly hair, I've got my turtleneck sweater or some like real cute jacket, and I'm just kind of walking while the wind and the leaves kind of blow. Is that too much? Is my imagination? Okay. Well, anyway, that's what I think of when I think of fall. I am excited to add this to my collection of fall ready wigs, and I hope you are too. Once again, if you like what you see, make sure to let me know in the comments below. And of course, if you're interested in finding out where you can see this wig in this color and so many more, and how little it costs, make sure you hit my description box after you get done watching this video for all of the details linked below. But of course, guys, once again, thank you for clicking play. Let me know what you think about this wig. In the beginning, I did let you know that I noticed this particular wig company does not add names, so help me name this one. I don't know, she's kind of giving, I haven't decided yet. I really can't tell. Like a Camille or something like that. Maybe a Camille or a Jessica? I can't really tell. But I'm loving this one, and you're probably going to see this on my Instagram for a little while. This is going to be one of my personal favorites. Okay, this is definitely going in my everyday wear pile. But let me know what you think in the comments, guys. And of course, I'm about to give you a couple of angles of this wig. Make sure you meet me right here, same place next time. Peace out.